Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to do something I should have done 3 years ago. When I dropped my engine in my 818, I upgraded the engine mounts, but not the transmission mount. It was just an extra $150, and I figured, why would I need it? Maybe it would be too stiff already with the engine mounts. But now that I'm racing the car, I'm realizing I do want it to be a little more planted. So I have here the STI Group N stiffer rubber trans mount, and I'm going to swap that in. Let's check it out. Back here in my engine bay, we have the transmission running all the way to the back bumper, and the trans mount is at the very back end. So it is that black piece on the bottom. Let's get under the car. So here we are underneath the car. Here is my OEM trans mount. We're going to see if we can jack up the trans in the back and slip this one out. Hopefully it's just that easy. Well, this is embarrassing. I was going to jack up the back of the trans, but I noticed all this framing underneath, so I can't get a jack under there. I started to wonder if I could lift this with my hand, and it takes like 10 pounds of force to move that up. So little force to move it. The entire engine's rocking. I mean, that's pretty funny. So actually, I think switching to the stiffer mount is not going to make a big difference, because obviously it doesn't take very much to hold it down back here. There's so much leverage. But we're going to do it anyways. So here's the 17-year-old, somewhat worn out trans mount. Pretty easy to flex. You can see the rubber doesn't fill the middle. It's just these two main posts. And the new bad boy. He's solid rubber. Much stiffer. I can't actually flex this at all. Like, at all. So we're probably going to feel this in our seat when we're done. And let's just jimmy this in here. I had a friend named Jimmy once. That's for another day though. Alright. And there it is. Swapped in easily, bolted down, no drama. I'm happy to see that there's not a lot of vibration back here, even with the stiffer mount. We'll see this spring at autocross if this made the car any bit more responsive. Hopefully it tightens some things up and the shifter even feels a little better, not having everything rock around. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.